Before I can tell you about the present, I have to tell you about the past. So, how did we come to have 3 kittens join our family? 7 years ago, my wife Beth began feeding a feral cat colony on our block. Last August, on her way to the evening feeding, a little puff ran in front of her car. Beth got out and found a tiny gray kitten huddled on the side of the road. That little female kitten looked in bad shape. She was taken to the vet, given a checkup and needed shots, and amazingly, the vet found her in good health, except for the goopy eyes. Beth named her Amethyst. She liked to snooze between 2 amethyst crystals in the warm sun. Sadly, though, she lost use of her right eye from the initial infection. Recently, a caring group began a TNVR program on the colony. TNVR is Trap, Neuter, Vaccinate, and Release. 2 tiny kittens were trapped, neutered, and vaccinated, but because the cold weather was setting in, they weren't released back into the colony, but instead found a home with us. They are recovering and becoming more kitten-like as they settle into their new colony. Soon they will join the rest of the home colony of Casper, Merlin, and Amethyst under the watchful eyes of their caring humans.